Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel, Life Play Digital. So today I'm sharing another Stitch Fix fashion box since I thought it'd be, good time to get some new clothes or at least a few new pieces or two or three additions to the wardrobe. Alright, so along with this Stitch Fix, I'll be also sharing my last one that I got that I didn't do a full unboxing video on, but I wanted to share it with you because I did like the whole, or everything that the stylist sent and kept everything. And then afterwards I'll be sharing a few tips for making the most of Stitch Fix and or getting like the things that you want or that you'll like from the stylists. But first I'd like to share the previous shipment that I kept all of the items from. Now this was from the end of August since I take breaks from the shipments at times, so hence the shorts and shorter sleeve shirts.
About you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes down. City dancing through the night, but I'm not there. You've got me soaring in the clouds, and as the ocean is surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side.
Let's get to this unboxing and showing and telling and seeing if it stacks up to my last one that I got. Alright. Okay, so some different tops. I like the color. I don't usually like green too much either. Little tank top with a zipper and some little stud detail thingies. Yeah. Oof. And then like a little lightweight sweater. I forget what they call these, like 3/4 sleeves or whatever. I don't go all the way down, but that's fine, and that's the perfect weight for where I live. Let's see how it looks on. This is so soft, cozy, nice, nice and comfy, casual. So yeah, a cute little, very soft and cozy feeling cardigan, and I love those things, so I'm probably definitely at least keep that for sure. But I'm liking everything so far. It is a dress. Oh, cool, nice. Again, it's like really soft and a little longer, and it's got this nice little knot. I like these little things when they do this, the knot detail. And a pair of pants. Oh, with little, I don't know, stripes, checks, whatever, but I like the front has little zippers and actual little pockets. That's cool because some pants and stuff you find like this, it's like they're fake. Okay, let's go try those on.
Tonight I'll reach out and touch the sky. In the city of angels, feels like I'm coming home. With my head up in the clouds, I am searching for something, and I'm still hoping. 'Cause I it's alright. Feeling like feeling like just as cool as John Wayne in his movies. Feeling like I'm James Dean and I know it. Feeling like feeling like a rock star. Feeling like a rock star. Feeling like a rock star. Feeling like a rock star.
Every month, spending every last dime. Feeling like I'm just stuck in rewind. Need a change before I break. So dumb, but I just wanna be someone. God, it's killing me, but I just wanna be a millionaire. A millionaire. You're my worst enemy, but I just wanna be a millionaire. A millionaire. 18 karat stuff just to feel it. Pretty diamond rocks 'cause I need it. God, it's killing me, but I just wanna be a millionaire. A millionaire. I wanna be someone. Wanna be someone. Wanna be someone. Don't we all wanna be someone?
Wanted to end it all quickly. Lately you making me choke. Might end up pretty, I'm pretty. 'Cause I tend to leave before you know. Thinking about leaving the city. Lately it's making me choke. Don't give a damn if I'm silly. If I choose to go, then I'll be gone. You can choose to win or lose. I give you the choice. The world is black or white, either or. You either like me or you don't. I don't care, no, not at all. Don't like me now, you never will. If you do, you'll get a thrill. Either like me or you don't. I'm looking crazy, but you don't know. What's on the inside never shows. You either like me or you don't. I don't care, no, not at all. You either like me or you don't. You either like me or don't. You either like me or you don't. You either like or don't. You can choose to win or lose. I give you the choice. The world is black or white, either or.
So, like I said, the cardigan, so soft and I love it. And it goes with the top too, which is nice. But I also liked how a lot of these things went with other things that I already had, whether it was stuff that I had got from Stitch Fix already or just something I already just had from somewhere else in my closet. So, and that's awesome. So I am keeping the whole box or the whole fix, whatever you want to call it, all 5 items. So I really liked the blouse top here with the zipper detail. Sleeveless, lightweight, but it's nice because it's where I live. It doesn't get too cold in the winter, so it's light enough to wear under some things, like a cardigan. And that's the other reason I like this, not only because it's so soft and cozy, but it's lightweight as well, along with the gray sweater, which had the little cute detail in the front, so that'll work nice too, because sometimes the problem I have with sweaters down here is that they can be too warm sometimes, so that one's perfect. And the pants were great. They're just like a slip-on, and like I said, with the zippers that are actually pockets, unlike so many other pants like that. I'm probably gonna have to hem them, but that's okay, I'm used to that. and the dress, which I really was surprised because I was wondering how it might look because of the top, because usually I don't like to wear tops that go all the way up to the neck like that, just because I'm bigger chested and it makes me look like I have a uniboob. But the way the material was, and I think with the knot, it didn't do that, so I'm stoked because I really liked it and it fit nice. Okay, so I promised 3 tips to help you get the most out of your Stitch Fix and for you to be more likely to receive items from your stylist that you'll actually like and will want to wear. Alright, tip number 1, communicate with your stylist and update your style profile as often as needed, and the more detail, the better too. So, and even though the style profile is pretty thorough with the questioning, you're still going to want to communicate with the stylist. So, you know, why? Because they're not telepathic and they can't hear your every like and dislike and whatever else you're currently obsessing or loving or drooling over, or whatever adjective or verb you use to describe it. So let them know. That's the point. Let them know when you didn't like something and why. Let them know when you did like something and why. Let them know when you purchased it or why you didn't purchase it. Kind of get the trend? Okay. Trust me, it does make a difference. Okay, tip number 2, style shuffles or swiper and Pinterest boards. So be sure you use the style swiper or shuffles. Style shuffles are kind of like Tinder, but for fashion. So you can find them in the in your profile or on the dashboard or whatever you call it. And be sure to create a Pinterest style board to save outfit inspirations and things that you like, and link it to your Stitch Fix profile. This will help the stylist be able to have some more insight to your unique and authentic style. Tip number 3, shop your look and membership choices. So, okay, this is a little bit after the fix, so to speak, but anyways, Stitch Fix does offer a direct buy option, which is called Shop Your Looks, which lets you buy items that they recommend that match the pieces that you already have that they've sent you. And these can be ordered individually on the site, and you don't have to get another fix to get them. So you can find that also in your dashboard or profile. And memberships, if memberships and like automatic shipments cramp your style, well, then just set it to manual, and again in your profile or dashboard, and you don't have to worry about it. Just order it whenever you want. Okay, well, those were my 3 tips or Stitch Fix. Ooh, that's a tongue twister. Stitch Fix hacks. So if you have any other tips or have tried similar services, and or if you have any comments, then I'm sorry, if you have any questions, then leave them in the comments. Anyways, as for this current Stitch Fix shipment, I definitely won't be needing this return bag, but it'll make a fine trash bag. So thanks everyone for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel and would like to, then be sure to click the subscription button below, as well as the bell icon next to it, so that you'll get notifications when I post new videos. Alright, I hope you all have a fabulous and fashionable day, and I'll see you next video. Alright, bye.
When the sun goes down